Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to stop photos appearing in wallpaper suggestion in Photos app in iOS 18. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Photos app and here we can see the wallpaper suggestion section. And now if you want to remove this wallpaper suggestion section from your Photos app, all you have to need just tap on customize. So all you have to need, first of all, scroll down all the way to the bottom in your Photos app, and at the bottom of this page you will find this customize option. Just tap on that, and now all you have to need, under collections, scroll down and search for wallpaper suggestion. Now just tap on this checkbox to uncheck the wallpaper suggestion. Once it's unchecked, now just cross these settings, and here now you will see the wallpaper suggestion section has been successfully removed from your iPhone Photos app. So this is how we can remove wallpaper suggestion from our Photos app in iOS 18. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.